In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a friend on Monopoly Go. If you want to remove or delete a friend on Monopoly Go, then it's quite simple. Simply open your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're inside this page. Once you are, tap on the Friends tab at the bottom right hand corner. This will then show you this kind of an interface. Now, from this page, go ahead and tap on the timeline option or the leaderboard option. Under Friends tab, you should be able to see all of your friend list in rank order. Now, go ahead and find the friends you'd like to delete and tap on them. You should then see a red pop-up where it says remove. Simply tap on remove. And in the pop-up, if you're sure you'd like to remove this person as a friend, tap on remove one more time. Soon after you hit the button, you should be able to remove the friend from your friend list within the game. That is how you should be able to delete or remove someone on Monopoly Go. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.